Welcome to Ciel. As a new or existing homeowner of an older home, you are now on a path towards making your home as safe, comfortable, and efficient as it can be. You can get there with the help of the professionals at Ciel. As a Home Performance with ENERGY STAR participating provider and a Building Performance Institute accredited contractor, we'll show you how our work can make your home more comfortable, safe, efficient, and healthy. More than 500,000 homeowners have participated in Home Performance with ENERGY STAR, a program that can help homeowners understand their home's energy use and identify upgrades that improve comfort and health, increase energy performance, and lower the operating costs of running your home. Ciel received the Home Performance with ENERGY STAR Contractor of the Year Award for the third consecutive year, an award reserved only for the top 1% of participating providers. Ciel is also a member of the Pearl Certification Network. The idea behind the Pearl certification is that it will give you a way to showcase your home and set it apart from the rest of the homes out there. This gives you the comfort of knowing that as a feature of this certification, you will be able to capture some or all of the added value of these upgrades at the time of sale. That's a powerful feature and one that we think will set your home apart from others when the time comes to appraise your home or to list your home for sale.
So people usually reach out to Ciel Power for three reasons. Typically, their home is not very energy efficient and they're spending a lot of money on their bills. They're experiencing comfort issues in certain parts of their home or sometimes their entire house. Or they've sought out the Home Performance with ENERGY STAR program directly and have found us through that.
It is heartwarming to me to help my clients make their older homes feel better. Sometimes they feel like they have to move or they just don't really know where to turn. And it's nice that they can call on us and know that they can get educated on their home, find out really what's going on with it, and we have the solutions for them. So it makes me feel happy every day.
My name is Beth. I've been at Ciel Power for 4 years and I've done probably around 1,100 audits. Typically say it has 3 parts. The first part I'm going to be getting a general understanding of the layout of the house and figuring out what's there, what there's room to add, whether, identifying any trouble spots, understanding what it would take to fix them. Then we're going to do some health and safety testing on the equipment. We're going to check things that could be negatively impacted by tightening a house up. So gas lines for leaks, carbon monoxide production and things, all, if it's applicable. And then the last thing that I'm going to be doing is a blower door test. And that actually blows air out of the house and forces the house to pull in at its weak spots to replace it. And when we're walking around, we may be able to identify weak spots. It's also taking a volume reading. And when I know the volume of the house, we'll be able to understand how much or how little is the leakiness impacting the energy usage of the structure.
So once the auditor leaves your house, they're going to bring back all of the technical information to our office. We're going to model that in an energy modeling software. We're going to get a projected energy savings, and we're going to create for you a customized energy report showing all of the existing conditions of your home, where there's room for improvement, the cost to do such work through our firm, and the rebates and incentives that'll help offset those costs for you.
The 3 most common things that an energy audit and the information that we gain from an energy audit that would pay the most dividends is often going to be air sealing, number 1, insulation. Generally an attic's going to be the first point that we want to try to attack, crawl spaces, so on and so forth, but also mechanical systems because again, looking at health and safety, looking at system life, those areas can be improved as well.
I can think of one customer in particular. They had a very big temperature difference in the room over their garage, and that was their nursery. So it was about a 7-degree temperature from the rest of the house. It was really hard to maintain throughout the winter months. And so when we came, we addressed the garage ceiling, insulating the walls, insulating the attic, and we changed the overall dynamic of that house. And they feel great in the home. They enjoyed it from beginning to end. And there's a much more even temperature, maybe a 1 to 2 degree difference max at this point. So there's nothing to worry about with booking a home energy assessment with Ciel Power because you could stop there if you really wanted to. There's no pressure to move forward with this program. There's no pressure to move forward with this work. We hope that you would, because it's just going to benefit you. But there is no pressure in doing so. It's a very straightforward process. We try and make it as easy as possible for the homeowners to understand the recommendations and solutions for their home. And that's my job, is to explain this to them and help them move forward if they see value in the work.